Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to cancel Live360 subscription. Now guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have of course, and download the Live360 application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Live360. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel, where we have plenty of how to Live360 videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the Live360 application. So here we have your current location and my current location. You can go and see the people and add some other persons here. Also, here we have the driving mode, where you can go into the driving mode with your car. So at the moment, I don't have any drivers detected, but when I put them, they will be here. We have the safety mode. Well, as you can see, we have family safety assist. So you have emergency contacts here. Now, also we have the membership, where you can go and buy the membership here, or you can go and start your free trial, as you can see here. Now, when we go to the location, in the top left corner, we have everything about your profile. As you can see, you have the notifications, flight detection, support, about, and of course, the log out option. Now guys, let's see how you can actually go and cancel a Live360 subscription. To do so guys, go to the bottom right corner and click on memberships. And here guys, you will have your subscriptions where you can go and then cancel them. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining. If you did guys, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.